Everyday English, Day 1. Why you understand English but can't speak it. Have you ever watched an English movie and understood most of it, but when someone asked you to speak English, your mind suddenly went blank? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of English learners experience the same problem every day. The good news is that you're not bad at English. You just haven't practiced the right skill. Today, I'll show you why this happens and how you can start speaking English with confidence. Let's begin. There is a big difference between understanding English and speaking English. Understanding is a passive skill, while speaking is an active skill. Think about riding a bicycle. You can watch hundreds of videos about cycling, but until you actually ride the bicycle, you won't learn. Speaking English works the same way. You improve by speaking, not by only studying. Now imagine someone asks you, "How are you?" Instead of answering immediately, your brain starts translating. First, it translates into your native language. Then it translates back into English. That takes time, and by then the conversation has already moved on. Instead of translating every sentence, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts like, "I'm happy," "I'm hungry," "I'm tired." The simpler your thoughts are, the easier it becomes to speak. Many learners think, "I'll start speaking when my grammar is perfect." But that's a mistake. Did you speak your first language perfectly as a child? Of course not. You made mistakes and you learned from them. English works exactly the same way. Every mistake helps you improve. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Speak anyway. Confidence grows through practice, not perfection. Imagine reading 10 books about swimming. Will that make you a good swimmer? Of course not. You have to get into the water and practice. English is no different. Reading helps, listening helps, writing helps. But speaking improves only when you actually speak. Practice every single day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Small daily practice creates big results over time. When you speak English, don't try to create long and difficult sentences. Keep your English simple. For example, instead of saying, "I am proceeding to my educational institution," just say, "I'm going to college." Instead of saying, "My mother is preparing food," simply say, "My mom is cooking." Simple English is powerful English. Remember, your goal is communication, not complexity. Here's another simple exercise. Look around your room and describe what you see. You can say, "This is my chair. This is my laptop. The window is open. I have a water bottle." These simple sentences build confidence. You don't need difficult words. You just need to keep speaking. Another great habit is recording yourself. Take your phone, open the voice recorder, and speak in English for 1 minute. Don't stop and don't delete the recording. Listen to it later. You'll notice your pronunciation, you'll hear your mistakes, and every week you'll hear yourself getting better. Recording yourself is one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking skills. One more important tip is to learn complete phrases instead of single words. Don't just memorize the word ready. Learn the phrase, "I'm ready." Don't memorize the word understand. Learn the phrase, "I understand." Don't memorize the word help. Learn the phrase, "Can you help me?" Your brain remembers complete phrases much more easily than isolated words. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is I am learning English. I will practice every day. I can speak English with confidence. Excellent. Before we finish, let's quickly remember today's lesson. Understanding English is different from speaking English. Stop translating every sentence. Don't fear mistakes. Practice speaking every day. Learn complete phrases instead of single words. Now it's your turn. Write these 3 sentences in the comments. My name is I will practice English every day. I'll read your comments and encourage you. Thank you for watching Everyday English. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, 1 sentence a day brings you 1 step closer to fluent English. See you in the next lesson.